Now in this video we are going to create our pricing table. So you can see we are in the free version of Elementor and the pricing table widget. Let me show you pricing, and you can see the real pricing table widget of Elementor is off, but we can still create pricing table using some free widgets. So it's all about using the right widget at the right place. So okay, first of all, let's create a new section, and this time we are going with three columns right here. And first of all, I'm going to change the minimum height again with little bit of 800 pixels like this. And this time I'm going to change the style to something blue like here. Okay. And now what you are going to do is, first of all, let's add image, and or maybe we can add icon. Search for icon and then simply drag and drop this icon right here. And this is going to be our, we are going to create three plans: basic plan, premium plan, and then business plan. So first of all, this is going to be our basic plan, and for this one, let's choose this star right here, or maybe this one. Okay. And now in the style, I'm going to change the color to white and increase the size. Now let's add a heading right here and change the alignment to center and name it as basic plan, and increase the style, change the text color to white, and again change the typography to Poppins and increase the size a little bit. Also, now in the widget option, search for icon list. Now you can see we have these two icon list, but we can use the default icon list. Simply drag and drop this icon list right here. And now you can see we have these items right here. So first of all, I'm going to delete this one, and this one. And now, first of all, in the style, I'm going to change the alignment to center, like here. Change the icon color to white, or maybe the green one. Okay, and change the text color to white, and in the typography, I'm going to change the font to Poppins again, and little bit increase the size, like this. And now in the items, you can simply add your things, for example, domain plus hosting. Now let's add designing services, development, web development, and then we have free SSL certificate. So suppose you only need these things in the basic plan, and now let's add our price. So you can add price right here. I'm going to duplicate this heading and change the price to $10 a month for the year. And in the typography, I'm going to change the weight to 900 like this. And now you can see we almost done with our pricing table. And now let's add a button right here. To add a button, simply drag and drop this one. And in the alignment, change the alignment to center and click on sign up. And in the style, change the typography to Poppins again. And I'm going to increase the size a little bit. And I'm going to change the background color to white, maybe this one. Okay. And I'm going to change the border radius to 100 like this, and little bit increase the size. Okay, so now you can see we are almost done with our pricing table. And now let's select the column. First of all, change the style to white. Maybe we can go with this kind of thing. Okay, so we are going with this color. Maybe we can choose white. So I have to change the all colors to white, black again. Change the primary color to black. Again for this one, select the pricing, black, and select the icon list. And I'm going to change the color to black, and this time little bit of this one. And for the pricing, I'm going to decrease the typography like here, and I'm going to change the icon color as well. I'm going to change the icon color to blue. And now let's select the column, and in the border you can simply increase the radius. I'm going with 10 pixels. And now you can see we are almost done with our simple pricing table. Now simply duplicate this pricing table. We forgot to add margin. First of all, let's add the margin of 10 pixels. Now you can simply duplicate this pricing table. I'm going to delete these. Now you can simply duplicate, and this time you can add premium plan, and you can change the icon to something like which looks like a premium. I'm going with the magic icon, this one. And you can change the font to $50 a year, and then you can simply add your other things which you are offering in the premium plan. And now let's add recommended, like this is very popular thing. So what you have to do is you can simply add a text right here and change this one to popular, and change the style to white, and go to advanced and change the background color to red, maybe the green. And in the content, change the alignment to center, and let me change the background color of text to something like this. And you can simply go to border and increase the border radius. So now you can see how you can easily create these kind of pricing tables in Elementor.